So it need to be checked. The first conditions is based on the first condition need to be checked. The second condition need to be checked or not. For the Bitwise operator, every time we check both conditions. That's the most important difference between the logical operator and the Bitwise operators. So let's have it check it. Is it our output? Is everything is okay? That's what we expected. That's true, true, true. False, 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 10 false, 11 true, true, 11 and true and 12. That's the expected result because it's check conditions. 11 become a second condition is checked. Then ternary operators, the one of the really most important operators. Sometimes for without any if else check conditions is combined together the if else conditions, the ternary operators. Let's go to the ternary operators, how it works. So if you look for this the value, we have an integer value a and v. It's a equal to 2 initialized and b 5 is initialized, and checked is minimum value. We try to pick it up, we check it a less than v, and what sign it is to true, then set it a, and if it's false then set it v. This is the one of the inline, how can say inline if condition, if type condition, true and false checks, or true or false value checkings. So you see that two condition is there, a less than b, question marks, and then if it's true set a, if it's false set b, and then printing the value of the minimum value of the conditions. So you see the results is the value of the A operators. So that's the true, a less than b, that's true, and then it's printing the value of a, and value is initialized or set it into the minimum variables, and that's the true. And then coming the most really most important, the really most assignment operators. So we can go to the assignment operators, how assignment operator works. So we have value like a 10, and then if you see that everybody knows this operator already, so you have it value 10, and if I have the like a plus equal assignment operator a plus equal 3, that means, or you can write down like simply this one's a equal someone who write it like this way, a plus 3, that means the same results is on like that one. So equal so that means you have a value set plus existing, the value is a 10 plus, this means plus signs, or you can write down like that way, a equal to a plus 3, the result is 13. For this case, the a equal to equal a minus 4, this is the result of that. So you have a value is the plus value, the a is the 13, and then 13 minus 4, 13 minus 13 minus and 4, result is 9. So then you have a modular sign. You can also the multiply by the existing value. You can say multiply the a multiply 2, and then this is the symbol signs, multiply equal to 2, that means 9 multiply the existing value 9, results multiply 2, that means the result is 18. So that means it has a modulus value. You can sign the modulus this like this way. So a modular the division signs equal to, that means 18, the result 18 divided by 9, again that come back to the 9 value and printed out this. If you, that's the assignment operator. So plus minus the plus, and then modulus, and then multiplication and subtraction. This is the assignment operator, how it works. For the assignment operator, if you try to add some lower type of data to add it, that's like the example like that. You have a short value v and then 10 and short value c10. If you try to add it like a equal to b plus c, then it has a compilation error because we are trying to add the lower value type. Then you need to be put this value. You see the effect of it doesn't. If I run the program, the assignment operator, so it works, but in the it somehow it has the compilation error in the from the which is an integer now converted to the short, and then this is called the typecasting error. So this now it's converted the really integer value. If you write down this the short, then this is the your typecasting is properly working, and then otherwise some cases, some places the your typecasting it doesn't work properly when you try to add the lower value, or subtract the lower value, or divided the lower value, then you need to be cast it like the lower type of your data type. So the assignment operators, and then we got the pictures like that. Means we understand the different type of operators for our fundamentals understandings, and we use those operators everywhere into the our programmings, our Java programmings, or any type of any programmings. Doesn't matter, C programming or other programming. There is everywhere the how the operators works, and different type of sign and symbols for the operators. You need to be clearly understand how the conditional operators and the arithmetical operator, shifting operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, how it is works. Then you need to be understand the clear pictures how it is works. The so we cover the variable types, we cover the data types, we cover the different type of the primitive and non-primitive data types, how we cover also the vapor classes, how the primitive type convert to the non-primitive type, as like these examples, how the auto boxing and unboxing works for the primitive type to convert to the non-primitive type, and non-primitive to the primitive type. That's the things. So let's have a talk about little bit about the different type of the keywords in Java, because we started the programmings. We need to understand the keywords of different Java. So it's just the things we need to be the example, the keyword. That's everybody knows the Java has its own default keywords for the when you try to program it in Java. So let's like theoretically we will cover the keyword, different keyword for Java. So we know already that there is the abstract keyword for the that keyword means you cannot this is keyword means this is reserved word. You cannot use this keyword for any inside your code. Any code for you cannot use it, but you can combine that's this keyword for with the other words. That doesn't matter how it's done. That means if you cannot use the keywords, or reserve word cannot be used as a variable, as object type inside any Java programming, or any Java project, or Java programs. So it has a key. There are many keywords. I can say this is the. Do I have it the keyword list? Yes, I have the Java keyword list. You see the break, continue, if, else, for, switch, cage, while, synchronize, transient, and violate, volatiles, and package new, this, upper, and abstract class extends and implements, return, throw, and throws, try, final, catch, and many more. Continue, break, and then and all things. There is many keyword in total. I think so it total will be the 48 keywords. So I can recap again. Abstract as a keyword, and for the abstract class or abstract methods, booleans for boolean checks as a keyword, break, and the break is for the continuation of the loops for the break, and continue also one of the keyword, and byte, case, switch case, and cases, and then also the class is also keyword, continue, default, do while, double, integer, float, and then short characters, and all these enums, extends, final, finally,